Let's see. Yes, we got the tickets.
Yeah, finally.
Yes.
Hey, you're a bird person.
Yes. Do you know what do we call a person who loves birds? Ornithophile. So today, let's learn some phrases related to it. Shall we? Free as a bird andre easy freedom anta. For example, after he left school, he felt free as a bird. Eat like a bird andre swalpa tinnodu anta. For example, he is very choosy with the food and eats like a bird. Eagle eye andre haddina kannu, meaning someone who carefully notices their surroundings. For example, he watches the whole situation with an eagle eye. For more such informative videos, comment section alli yes anta comment ಮಾಡಿ.